Link655 here, and today I have a new fish. I just got him a few hours ago. I named him Ari. His tail looks like it's been ripped in half, kind of, and it's like white. He's so pretty in person. This is his bowl for now. I have a hamster up there in that tank. Had that hamster for a while. The hamster might go in there because it has a rat and she's getting old, unfortunately. But yeah, Ari's afraid of me. I think Ari's a male. Looking in the camera. Looking in the camera. Yeah. This is the setup for now. I feel I'm gonna get a heater for him soon. I wanted a real plant, but instead I got that. I wanted a golden turtle, but they didn't have any. Oh well. Anyway, this is Ari. See you next time, guys. Peace.